You keep comparing your progress to theirs, their weight loss, their results, their life. If we're being honest, it was never you versus them. It's always been you versus you. You're not behind. You're just distracted by someone else's finish line. Their pace is not your standard. Their body is not your blueprint. Their results say nothing about your worth. The real competition is between who you were yesterday and who you're becoming today. You don't need to outdo anyone else. You just need to become someone you're proud of. Here are 3 ways to shift the focus back to your own lane. 1. Define what winning looks like for you. What are you really working toward? Peace? Energy? Confidence? Freedom? Get clear on what success looks like on your terms, not what social media is selling you. 2. Unfollow the pressure. Anything that makes you feel like you're less than, that isn't inspiration. It's distraction. Curate what you consume. Protect your mental space like progress depends on it, because it does. 3. Track progress you actually control. You can't control someone else's speed, but you can control how often you show up, how consistently you move, how kindly you speak to yourself. That's the real scoreboard. This journey isn't about being better than anyone else. It's about being truer to the person you said you wanted to become. So stop measuring your growth against their highlight reel and start honoring the version of you who refused to quit, because that's the only version that matters. Drop an hourglass emoji if you're choosing your own timing today and tell me, what's one way you showed up for you this week? Remember, we can share our journeys, but we should never compare them. Bye.